So, ready to go out.
Yes. Don't.
So we are all ready to go
We're
out. now.
ready, and the person is here. That's why.
So finally, OMG, the weather is extremely hot. Baby, enjoying coming out of lockdown? Yes? Is it fun to see the outside world for a change?
He's behaving.
Yeah.
He's not moving at all.
Yeah, surprisingly, look at him. He's wearing the
only
mask
32 months.
as if he's aware of the situation that is happening,
Yeah.
or he's just copying us. I'm not sure what is the real thing. But it's good that he's not removing his mask. We are on our way now.
Yeah.
From our apartment to the floor and to the taxi was tiring itself.
So lots of luggage, lots of bags.
Yeah. And as you can see, the luggage at the back, full. But all is good and we are on our way now. Going to a new house. Are you excited, baby? Gusha, he's more worried about the road. You're driving
Yeah, he cannot see cars.
on the road after a long time, right, baby? Since when? I think last we went out was in March.
Yes.
Before 1 week before the lockdown.
Yes.
And then we stopped everything. So we managed to reach the apartment. हाँ यहीं पे बता था बस मैं सामान निकाल रहा. Now it's time to remove the luggage and wait at the lobby while the apartment owner comes. Hey guys, so we are finally in the new apartment. The owner of the apartment just handed over the keys and he's left. I want to show you around. This is the entrance. As soon as you enter, this is the lobby area of the apartment. And on the right, you have a first bedroom, which I don't think we are going to use. And then as you enter, sorry about all the luggage, it's all over the place. We did not get time to arrange it. This is the master bedroom where we will be sleeping. All the bedrooms here have TVs. This is the bathroom. And we further go down. This is the living room area, the dining table, everything is nice. Leon is sleeping there. He's so tired. He went off to sleep very quickly. And this is the kitchen. So the kitchen has basic amenities, washing machine. All the basic amenities for the kitchen is already there. A fridge. The fridge is brand new. Some of our things already started putting in actually. A microwave, electric kettle, water bottles. The gas is there. The water purifier is there. And Cell has already started cleaning.
I'm washing the cup for coffee.
Yeah, we are going to have lunch now. So this is the little one, he is sleeping. And these are the couches. And this is the third bedroom which has a single bed. And finally, we'll go to the balcony. So this is the society, guys. The cleaning part has not been perfect. I mean, they actually could have done a better job, but still it's okay. I mean, can manage, right? So we'll have our lunch now, guys, and oh, that's the water purifier calling. So we'll have our lunch now. The water is already hot.
Yeah, is that it?
We'll see you later.
Well, this is it. Sunset, guys.
So here we are, it's already evening. There was a heavy rain with strong winds. So this is the condition of the new apartment. A revamp. We removed the dining table and we cleared the hallway We cleared the living room so that Leon can run around. To be honest, we are really tired. You can make out from our face he's so tired. So we are going to eat our dinner now and then maybe watch a movie or something and then go to sleep. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to press the subscribe button and the notification bell if you don't want to miss out on the next upload. So thanks for watching, guys. Keep supporting us. Thanks for all your love. Till next time. Bye.